Welcome to the PARS Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about whether keto diet affects sleep or not. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Sleep, diet, and exercise. These are the pillars of good health. But sleep may be the most critical pillar. A person can survive weeks without food, and years without exercise, but only days without sleep. Just one night of sleep deprivation has been shown to significantly impair mental performance the following day. You probably wonder if you know how the keto diet affects sleep. Does it help? Give you insomnia? What's the deal? There isn't a quick answer. Depending on the situation, going keto may improve or impair sleep. Keto, all the rage these days, is a low-carbohydrate diet that helps with glucose control, insulin sensitivity, and even the decrease of triglycerides fats in your blood. The ketogenic diet has been around since the 1920s when doctors prescribed it to help reduce epileptic seizures. People following a keto diet aim to eat no more than 20 to 50 grams of carbohydrates per day. Fatty foods like eggs, meat, butter, cream, mayonnaise, and most cheeses aren't just acceptable, they're encouraged. Carbs are your body's favorite source of energy. Once your body uses them up, it enters a metabolic stage called ketosis and starts to burn fat stores as fuel instead. It's not uncommon to hear people report sleep problems when they start a ketogenic diet. A keto diet can affect your sleep patterns. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Here's how the keto diet can affect your sleep. It's, of course, worth noting that everyone's experiences on the diet will be different and that you should be consulting with your doctor before starting any diet plan. In the short term, the keto diet can negatively impact your sleep. Insomnia is common amongst keto dieters, particularly early on in transitioning to the keto diet. Causes of short-term sleep problems on keto. When you go keto, your entire metabolism shifts. Instead of burning sugar, carbohydrates, for energy, you start eating keto-friendly foods to your optimal macros to ensure you're burning fat. This shift takes time, and it's not always a smooth process. During this transition period, many people experience the keto flu, a catch-all term for side effects like fatigue and general low energy levels, irritability, headaches, and keto insomnia associated with switching to a keto diet. These symptoms can last for days, weeks, or not manifest at all. But the keto flu isn't a condition, it's a label for other problems, some of which can be remedied quickly. Here are 3 of those problems, each of which can impact sleep. Carb withdrawal. Neurochemically, your brain regards sugar as a drug. If you've ever dropped a caffeine habit, you know the drill. Going cold turkey isn't easy, and it can certainly affect a good night's sleep. But it's not just sugary sodas, cookies, and such. Even starchy carbs like rice and potatoes are forms of sugar that trigger these addiction pathways. So as your body adapts to a low-carb diet, normal brain functions, including sleep, may suffer. The good news is the situation is temporary. Just stay keto, and the carb addiction will dissipate. Electrolyte imbalances. Sodium, potassium, and magnesium are minerals called electrolytes. Because electrolytes regulate normal brain functions, deficiencies in these minerals can cause sleep issues. Where does keto come in? Well, when you restrict carbs on a keto diet, the hormone insulin stays lower. Low insulin is great for burning fat, but not so great for retaining sodium and potassium because the keto diet is a diuretic. It tells your kidneys to pee out more electrolytes, and consequently, sleep problems can ensue. Low sodium, for instance, may cause insomnia by increasing levels of the stress hormone, norepinephrine. The keto diet also restricts some foods rich in potassium and magnesium, which increases the likelihood of electrolyte deficiency. Waking up to pee. You just learned how keto makes you excrete more electrolytes. As we also suggested, the same holds true for water. This water comes from the breakdown of glycogen, your body's storage form of glucose. Your body likes to burn these sugar stores before accessing body fat. Unfortunately, this process releases a deluge of fluid that's promptly delivered to your bladder for urinary disposal. It's not ideal for sleeping through the night. The clinical term for having to pee more than once per night is nocturia, and it's linked to depression and increased mortality risk. But as with carb withdrawal, keto-induced nocturia should be short-lived. How a keto diet can improve sleep? Anecdotally, many people report that they've never slept better since starting keto. They sleep soundly throughout the night, wake up feeling totally refreshed, and feel completely energized throughout the day. Blood sugar control. Eating a high-carb diet means riding the blood sugar roller coaster. As your blood sugar swings up and down, your energy and hunger swing along with it. This is not optimal for sleep. If you've ever woken up hungry in the middle of the night, it was probably due to low blood sugar. The medical term for this is hypoglycemia. Being in ketosis, however, gets you off the blood sugar coaster and onto the smooth and steady fat train. On the fat train, your blood sugar stays more stable, which means less midnight hunger. But the connection between sleep and blood sugar runs deeper. Lack of sleep impairs the ability of insulin, your blood sugar regulation hormone, to dispose of high blood glucose. In other words, sleep restriction can shift your metabolism towards type 2 diabetes. Practically, this means that sleep and ketosis are joined at the hip. If you're not sleeping well, you won't burn fat as well. But it also suggests that a keto diet, which keeps blood sugar low, may have a protective effect against the metabolic derangement of sleep deprivation. Increased deep sleep. A keto diet increases deep sleep more than a carb-containing diet. During deep sleep, tissues heal, new memories form, and cerebrospinal fluid floods the brain to clear out proteins, like amyloid beta, that have been linked to Alzheimer's. But there's a caveat: the keto diet reduced REM sleep, the sleep stage best known for dreaming and memory consolidation, compared to the control diet. GABA and glutamate. Gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, is an inhibitory neurotransmitter that helps relax the mind. In one randomized controlled trial, GABA supplementation helped insomnia patients fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. The keto diet, in case you were wondering, has been shown to boost GABA levels. Weight loss. Compared to the general population, obese people sleep less, wake up more, and feel less rested. What's more, obesity increases the risk of sleep apnea, a dangerous condition of nighttime breathing obstruction. When obese people lose weight, sleep typically improves. This is where keto may help. Across numerous studies, the ketogenic diet has been shown to promote weight loss in obese and diabetic populations. How keto affects your sleep will depend on your unique situation. If you constantly wake up hungry and are not on a ketogenic high-fat diet, or are just starting one, in time keto could help by stabilizing your blood sugar. And if you want to lose weight for better sleep, keto could help with that too. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.